Today we're going to look at the top 10 things you should know about scripting. Whether you're just starting out or you already know scripting, these top 10 tips are going to help you guys out a lot. So the very first thing I want to cover is starting with the basics. If you're new to scripting, it's important to familiarize yourself with the fundamentals before diving into more complex concepts. This means learning about variables, loops, and basic programming concepts like functions. The second tip is to use the documentation. Roblox has an extensive documentation on its website, which includes tutorials, guides, and reference materials to help you learn how to script on the platform. Take advantage of this resource as you start to learn and write scripts. The next thing you should remember is to always practice. As with any skill, the more you practice scripting on Roblox, the better you're going to become. Start by working on small, simple scripts, and then gradually work your way up to more complex projects. Collaborating with others. One of the best ways to learn and improve your scripting skills is to collaborate with other experienced scripters. Join a group or community of Roblox developers and learn from others who have more experience. Always remember to break complex scripts into smaller and more manageable pieces. Scripting can be overwhelming just like programming, especially if you're working on a large or complex project. To make things easier, try breaking your scripts down into smaller, manageable parts of work and work on each one individually. Keep your scripts organized. As your scripts become more complex, it's important to keep them well structured. Use comments and indentation to keep your code easy to read and understand. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they're learning something new. Don't be afraid to try new things and experiment with different approaches to scripting. You'll learn more from your mistakes than your successes. Test your scripts. Remember, you can always test your scripts, so make sure that you're constantly checking for bugs and errors. Create test cases, run your scripts, and debug any issues that you encounter. Stay up to date. Roblox is constantly evolving, so be sure to keep up with the latest updates and changes to the platform. This will help you to stay on top of new features and tools that can make your scripting experience even better. Lastly, have fun. Above all, remember to have a fun time while you're scripting on Roblox. This is a great way to learn the grips of software development, so take advantage of the platform. Don't forget to enjoy it. This video will tell you exactly what you need to know to get started with scripting on Roblox.